Coco doing her morning stretches. Anyways, here we go. The big box. It's a 57. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Richmo back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today is a great day, man. Today we have a lot of video content being created. Today I finally got my first modification. I'm hella excited. Yes. You guys don't know what it is? Let me go show you what it means.
Just ready to go, man. You know?
So we do have a dilemma, have a situation. The new mod that I did get for the car is a dope ass wing. And yeah, so ran into a malfunction. So we're gonna take care of it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. This is a whole new day from the video I started off with. Let me go show you the car that I covered. I always keep it covered because out here it's super hot and you want to continue to keep the leather good. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Doing good, man. Oh man, way better. Way better. I love it, man. I love it. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. All right, so we about to lift this. Let me take this lid off. All right. Let me sit this down. All right, cool. Grab some food. G. All right, now, this is the issue. This is the mount to the wing. So, I got it assembled. It's nice, perfect, right? The downfall is, the issue with these cars is if you look real closely, it's a curve. Let me use my brother's car for example. His car is just flat. So if I sit this here, oh, well, never mind, it doesn't do his either. But I have a curve, a deep curve on this car. If you could look at it, the texture of the hood is just curved. Now, this is the issue. So if I sit it here to try to mount it on, let me put it right here. You can see there's a gap in between, and that's because the trunk is curved and this doesn't fit for the trunk. So like that. So the downfall with it, now I have to get this custom made. I have to get a custom made mount to hold the wing that can go to the trunk. And as I seen on YouTube, as I seen on Google Images, they made wide body kits for this car. So they use the wing, like what I'm using is a wing that fits for the wide body, because eventually I'm gonna end up getting a wide body kit. But for the wing with the wide body kits, some pictures I've seen, they did different things. They have different, like they did like custom mounts, or they even had I even seen a few, and I believe it's the Rocket Bunny kit, where they have the splitter rods that holds the splitters in the front of the car. They have one connected like right here and right there, and they make it go all the way up. There's a long one to connect to the wing and holds the wing and support. And then they have some custom ones like this that's more in the center of the wing and hold it for the sturdiness. So it's going to be something I gotta figure out. It's not this problem, but it's just that the trunk is very curved, and as you guys can see, it's just a curve, which is beautiful about the car. But like I said, for the wing to be fixed on, I have to get this custom made mounted so it can fit the curve perfectly, and then we can install it. The wing is amazing. I'm about to go pick up some food, and then I'll show you guys how the wing look when I get in the house. But it's awesome, and like I said, now I just got to get this customly set for the trunk, and we are good. Let's go. Okay, check out the red guts. Oh my gosh, no eating food in the car, no drinking in the car, just how I like it. The only dilemma that I'm dealing with right now is the mount part. So there's so many options I can do to make the mount work. getting it custom made to fit properly. The wing looks so fucking good for this car. It's a 57-inch wing, and it's a perfect size. So that's another thing. So I'm not like a handy Superman, but I always got a team of people that's really down to work with me and help me out. If you guys know any ideas or any suggestions on welding or finding a correct mount for the wing to be for the mount to be on the back of the trunk for my car, feel free to let me know down below. Send some links or whatever, a mount that I can use without even customizing one. I can just order one that can make fit for the support for the wing. So it's very irritating. It's very disappointing because I want this to work, but yeah, it is what it is. And like on the video, I'm going to show you guys exactly of what type of look I'm going to do with the car. So you guys just seen it. So that's what I want to do to the car, to this car with the wing process. And also, like I said, I'm going to be doing a wide body kit on this car. So that's the goal, man. That's the goal. So, you know, that's the thing about being into cars and being a car enthusiast. You're always going to run through some type of problem where something is not the right size, or you got to adjust it and all this stuff. And like, I'm not a welder or anything, so you know, I'm definitely going to get some help with that. Find somebody to get a proper size, make it fit, and it's going to be super fucking epic sick. I got the wing in my room. I was supposed to get it done yesterday, but like I said, it just doesn't fit on the trunk, so it made it very irritating. But you know, it is what it is, and once the process is done, it's gonna make the car look super nice and super mean, super aggressive. I really can't wait to see it on the back of the car. It looks real nice. I even had some friends that seen it, and they said it looks nice. They said the wing is like fucking perfect size for the car and everything. So, you know, just another brick in the road, but we just got to figure it out. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I got to get this done as soon as possible. But right now I'm going to pick up some food that I ordered, and yeah. But let me go pick up this food, and then after I get my food, I'm gonna show you guys the wing, how it looks, and then I'm gonna end the video, and we just keep it pushing, man. All right, so we got the wing on the bed right now, but this is the wing. It is so freaking nice. It's 57 inches long, and it is so fucking beautiful. Excuse my language. But what I'm planning on doing is getting the whole wing wrapped carbon fiber. So that's the next step, is getting this whole wing wrapped carbon fiber. And it looks so amazing. And just test fitting it above the car, like measurement wise, it looks so good. And I cannot wait to get this wing on. This is a beautiful wing. The side profile, oh my gosh, it's so nice, man. I can't wait to get this installed. That's the wing and everything. I'm just looking forward to just getting it done, man. I'm really ready for this wing. Like I said, I'm planning on wrapping the whole wing carbon fiber, but the wing is beautiful. It's all black and it's beautiful, but I want to get it wrapped carbon fiber. And yeah, so like I said, right now the main thing is focusing on trying to make a custom or order some a mount that can go on the trunk of my Lexus RC. So we got to figure it out. I got to figure it out. It's going to take a little time, but I do want to get this done. It would just bring so much character, so much better look to the car, and I can't wait. So before I truly end the video, I will have to do I will have to go find a body shop that can make custom brackets to make it complete fit. So that's what I just thought about, and I hit the homie John up. Shout out to John if you're watching this video. Thank you, man. But yeah, so basically all I gotta do is just take just show the body shop, trying to find a body shop that's actually good with work and also good pricing. And I'm going to find a body shop where they can help me customize a bracket that can mount good and correctly and fit, and then go from there. So I'm excited. So we're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna hit up some places. This is totally new for me, doing with the body shops. So, yeah, so I got to hit up some body shops, and that's what I wanted to add into this video. So, before I end this video, I want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have been doing and giving me for the longest. Thank you guys. I truly admire every one of you guys, because without you guys, none of this is possible for me. And I'm so excited to just build this car the correct way and the best way. It's not going to be a super fast build. I want to make sure that I get everything correctly for this car, because everything for this car is very expensive. It's not cheap parts like Honda. So I have to really make sure everything is 100% legit. I want to build this as a complete show car as well as a daily driver. So we got a whole lot of things to do, but I do appreciate every one of you guys for all the support. Again, thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching the ads, not skipping them. Thank you, because I truly see that. So thank you so much. And we're going to continue to get this car built correctly. We're going to have vinyl wrapping very soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, hope you guys have a nice one. We are out.